Hello everyone, it's been so long since I posted a new video. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be coloring my hair using the top up color from Birds of Paradise. The shade is Bekaraar
This
Burgundy.
is the third time I'm coloring my hair and telling you Birds of Paradise is the best. They give quality hair colors. Like I never faced damaged hair or hair fall issues. My hair stays healthy even after
check out the
full video, enjoy the process and wait for the results in the end. This is the final look of my hair. It looks like this on the sun. I'm so excited. Do share, comment and like and also subscribe for more contents. Bye.